I have a love for the ocean. When I was young, it was very normal for children back then to spend so much time at the beach, run into people that were fishing. A few gentlemen that I ran into took the patience to teach me how to throw a net, how to learn about the ocean and the fish. It was pretty natural because it was always about respect for the ocean and respect for the environment. That's how the Hawaiians before us remained sustainable in the islands. It got passed down. It's very similar to me sharing a recipe. My passion for cooking came from my dad at Kea Restaurant. It's about the way that you learn, hopefully from your parents or grandparents. All the recipes at Kea Restaurant, they aren't all mine. I oversee it and I nurture it and I watch it. The inception of those dishes come from the team that work for me. When you're in the kitchen, it's funny because the people that shared their recipes and brought their family specialties to the table, they have a different ownership. We just try to be what we believe the restaurant means to us. I think that's what makes us special. We're passionate about what we do, passionate about how we procure. We are respectful on how we cook. We like telling the story. The fish that they bring to our tables here in the kitchen, amazingly fresh. Growing up in Hawaii and knowing all the different species, I'm half fisherman, half chef. When visitors come to dine in Kea, I want them to feel the islands, to feel the culture, and share a special story. An experience for them, not only to eat the food.